恭喜发财! 2026 will be a year that brings us the spirited energy of the horse, a symbol of speed, strength, and progress. This year, Veeam enters a new era of accelerating safe AI at scale, helping organizations to take the lead. Here's wishing everyone a year of new opportunities and bold achievements.
As we enter the year of the horse, we're also entering a new era for Veeam. We've joined forces with Security AI, which brings together two industry leaders to strengthen our platform and help organizations move confidently into the future of AI.
With Security AI, together we deliver a unified and trusted platform for data protection, security, governance, privacy, and AI trust, giving all organizations both speed and safety. With Veeam and Security AI, customers can see every dataset, secure every identity, and recover every pipeline instantly.
For our channel community, let's harness the strengths and the progress of the horse, moving boldly and safely into the future of AI. 祝各位合作伙伴在新的一年里乘风破浪，稳健前行，马到成功。
Just as a horse symbolizes strength and progress, our combined platform empowers your business to move boldly and safely into the future of AI. May this year of the horse inspire you to take the lead, achieving strength, progress, and success. From all of us at Veeam, 恭喜發財！
大家好，新一年我祝大家身體健康，新年進步，馬年行大運。咁喺今年新嘅一年，我哋會繼續致力將我哋最好嘅方案提供俾我哋唔同嘅企業客戶同埋 partner， 做到全面嘅數據保護，務求令到喺雲端上面啦、on-premise 地端上面啦，同埋 AI 嘅 data 上面咧，做到一個合法合規最佳嘅數據保障。最後，我再一次祝大家馬年行大運，大家身體健康，全家幸福。多謝多謝。